Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome back to 10th class English. Today we shall read a story. The name of the story is The Beggar. What did I say?
The beggar.
The name of the story is
The beggar.
written by Anton Chekhov, right? This story is written by Anton
Chekhov.
Chekhov. What do you mean by beggar in Oriya?
Bhikari.
Right, bhikari, a person who begs is called a beggar. Every day we come across one or two beggars. They move from door to door and beg alms. Of the beggars we see, of the beggars we see, some are genuine beggars and some are fake beggars. आमे जेते जन भिकारी देखुचे सेई मानक मध्यरु केते जन प्रकृत भिकारी आउ केते जन मिथ्या छद्म भिकारी से मानकर जीविका अर्जन करिबारे किछि समस्या नहीं. They have no problem of making their own livelihood. But ए भिक मागिया पंथाटा अति सहज भावी काम करने को डरी से माने भिक्षावृत्ति करितांती. दे resort this profession because this is the easiest way to earn their livelihood. And those are not the genuine beggars. We should not help them. अंध, छोटा, केम्पा, कणा विभिन्न शारीरिक अक्षम व्यक्ति मान भिक्षावृत्ति करी जीवन अर्जन करिथांती एवं से माने ही वास्तव रे भिखारी. दे आर द राइट जेन्युइन beggars and we should help them. Could understand how many types of beggars are there in our society? And you know, we meet or come across beggars, more beggars at marketplaces, bus stand, railway station, above all at holy places. Got it? Now let's move to the text. What do you think the writer is going to tell us in this story? ए गपरे लेखक आमको क्यों विषय रे कहया को जाउछन्ते बोली तुम्हें भावुच. So that is what do you think the writer is going to tell us in this story? In this story, the writer is going to tell us about a beggar. Perhaps we are not sure. Both way, आमे निश्चित न, but we guess, आमे अनुमान करुचो. We guess the writer is going to tell us a story about a beggar. So whether our guess is right or not, let's study and know. Next, you must have seen beggars everywhere in our country. Yes, beggars are everywhere in our country. आम देशर चारिआडे भिकारी अछंती वी सी आम देखू वी सी बेगर्स everywhere in our country, right? Where do you find more beggars? अधिकांश बेगर मानू तुम क्यों देखा पाउछ एट टेम्पल प्लेसेस वी फाइंड मोर बेगर्स एट टेम्पल प्लेसेस और हॉली प्लेसेस और बस स्टैंड और रेलवे स्टेशन इटीसी बस स्टैंड रेलवे स्टेशन पवित्र धर्मानुष्ठान मानक पवित्र धर्मानुष्ठान रे अधिकांश भिकारी देखा मिले वी सी मोर बेगर्स एट डिफरेंट सेक्रेड प्लेस हॉली प्लेसेस बस स्टैंड्स एंड रेलवे स्टेशंस. Next question number 3. How do you feel when you come across a beggar begging at your door or a beggar requests to you for help? जेतबेला गोटे भिकारी तम द्वार को आसी भिक्षा मागे किंबा साहाय्य मागे सेतेबेले तुम्हें कौन अनुभव करुच? द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू कम अक्रॉस ए बेगर बेगिंग एट योर डोर और ए बेगर रिक्वेस्ट यू फॉर हेल्प? When a beggar comes to our door and begs, sometimes we help them and other times we got angry or annoyed with them. केबे केमिति आमे तांको साहाय्य करूछु केबे केमिति आमे विरक्त प्रकाश करूछु. Sometimes we help them and we sometimes we got angry with them or we got annoyed with them. Next, do you like people to beg? Why or why not? Do you like people to beg? No, we don't like people to beg, especially the person is okay or healthy and has a capacity to earn his livelihood. We don't like these type of people to beg. एही भलिया लोक माने भिक मागिबाटा को आमे पसंद करू ना. जणे जदि उपयुक्त भिकारी भिक मागे we like it. If a genuine beggar begs, it's right and we will help him. But we will not help a fake beggar. Can we have a society without beggars? Suggest some way. Yes. If steps are taken, we will have no beggars in the society. Right? Possible, not impossible. Okay? Sambhava, asambhava nuha. It's a fact. So the text begins like this. Kind sir. What did I say?
Kind sir.
Hey Babu. Generally beggars address like this. Kind sir, hey Babu. Have pity. Have pity Yes, what is written? Kind sir, have pity. हे बाबू दया करंतु. Turn your attention to poor hungry man. Who says it? Who says it?
The beggar.
The beggar says it. What does the beggar say? Kind sir,
Have pity.
have pity. Turn your attention to poor hungry man. The beggar says he is poor and hungry and begs something. That is a hungry man. Wait. For 3 days, what did I say?
For 3
3
days.
days.
Yes, for 3 days I have had nothing to eat. The beggar says he has been hungry for 3 days because he have not got anything to eat. Who says it?
The
Beggar.
beggar.
Who has not eaten anything for 3 days?
The beggar.
The beggar says, I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. I don't have even a single pie. Here pie is not written. पैसा लिखाई नहीं. इन प्लेस ऑफ पैसा से लिखाई कोपेक्स. It is a currency of fractional currency of ruble of Russia. Right? So I have not 5 kopecks for a lodging. Who says it?
The beggar.
ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ପଇସା ନାହିଁ ଲଜିଂ ପାଇଁ ଲଜିଂ ଭଡ଼ା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ନାହିଁ. ଆଇ ସ୍ୱେୟାର ଇଟ୍ ବାଇ ଗଡ଼୍, ମୁଁ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଶପଥ ନେଇ କହୁଛି. ହୁ ସେଜ୍ ଇଟ୍?
The beggar.
ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଦ ବେଗର୍ ସେ? ଆଇ ସ୍ୱେୟାର ମିନ୍ସ ଶପଥ. ଆଇ ସ୍ୱେୟାର ଇଟ୍ ବିଫୋର୍ ଗଡ଼୍, ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ନାଁ ନେଇ ମୁଁ ଶପଥ କରି କହୁଛି. ଆଇ ହେଭ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏ kopecks or single pie with me to give the lodging rent. For 8 years I was a village school teacher. Who says it?
The beggar.
The beggar says that the beggar was a village school teacher for 8 years. Who was a village school teacher?
The beggar.
ବେଗର କହୁଛି ସେ ଦୀର୍ଘ 8 ବର୍ଷ କାଳ ଗୋଟେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଥିଲା. ୱାଜ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଥିଲା. ହୁ ସେଜ୍ ଇଟ୍?
The beggar.
ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଦି ବେଗର ସେ? ଫର୍ 8 years.
I was a village school teacher.
Right, I was a village school teacher and then I lost my place. ମୋ ଚାକିରି ହରେଇଲି. Who lost his place?
The beggar.
Beggar says whether it is fact or not we don't know. ସତ କହୁଛି ମିଛ କହୁଛି ଆମେ ଜାଣିନେ. But the beggar says he lost that job, teachership job, through intrigue. ଗୋଟେ କୁଚକ୍ରାନ୍ତରେ he lost his job. Who lost his job in interview?
The
The beggar.
The beggar. It is a year now. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି. Since I have had anything to do. ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ. କାମ କରିବାକୁ ବି ନାହିଁ. Who says it?
The beggar.
Who had nothing to do? The beggar had. Who told whom?
Beggar.
Who says these things to whom? We don't know. To whom the beggar says. Now let's read the next paragraph and we will come to know whom the beggar is saying all these things. Okay, look at your book, paragraph 2. The advocate, advocate means Okila. The advocate Sergei. The name of advocate is Sergei. Look at the ragged. Ragged means chinda legada pinditibba. Chira legada pinditibba. Look at the ragged fan colored overcoat. Light brown colored. Fan color means light brown color. His overcoat was light brown colored. Who's the beggars? Up the suppliant. Here suppliant means the beggar. Who looked at whom?
Advocate.
The advocate Sergei looked at the beggar. The beggar was in a ragged cloth, tattered cloth. Beggar chiralengada lunga pinditilla, and the color of the overcoat was just bright, light brown. Could understand who looked at whom?
The advocate.
The advocate Sergei looked at the beggar. It is dull, drunkard eyes. Who was dull? The beggar was looking dull, nirasa, nisprabha, देखा जाउतला. And drunkard eyes, madhua akhi. Right? Whose eyes were drunkard like?
The beggar.
Beggars. Who looked at it?
Advocate.
The advocate Sergei looked at it. At the red spot on either cheek, तार gallery ranga chinna sabu tila. Whose? On whose cheek? The beggar's cheek. What color spots? Red color spots. And it seemed to him as if means Satyajapri, this is a subordinator. I have told you there are coordinators and subordinators. Where only subordinators are used, that is the compound sentence. Where where coordinators are used, that is a compound sentence. Where subordinators are used, that is a complex sentence. So, as if means Satyajapari, it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. The advocate Sergei looked at the man, marked his class, his eyes, his behaviors, and he thought that he had seen this man somewhere before. देखिला भाविला ए लोकटी को मु आगुरु कोटे देखिछि. Who thought it?
The advocate Sergei.
What did advocate Sergei thought? The advocate Sergei thought that he had seen this man somewhere before. But did not ask him. पचालानी ताऊ किछि पचालानी. He thought himself. I have now had an offer of position in the province of Kaluga. Who said it?
The beggar.
The beggar said it. Again the beggar continued. कहबा आरंभ कला एवं कहला वर्तमान कालुगा प्रोविंस रे मो पाई गोटे नियुक्ति सुजोग अछि. What did the beggar say? Look at your book and tell. I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga. A offer for whom? A offer for
Beggar.
the beggar. The mendicant means also beggar. beggar is beggar, mendicant is beggar, suppliant is also beggar. The mendicant went on, continued. Who said it?
The mendicant.
Mendicant or the beggar said it. But I haven't the money to go there. The problem is that I don't have money to go there. Who said it?
The
The
beggar.
beggar.
ବେଗେରେ କହିଲା କାଲୁଗା ପ୍ରଦେଶରେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ନିଯୁକ୍ତିର ସୁବିଧା ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ହେଭ୍ ମନି ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ହେଭ୍ ମନି ହୁ ସେଡ୍ ଇଟ୍
The beggar.
ବେଗେରେ ସେଡ୍ ଇଟ୍ ହେଲ୍ପ ମି କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି
ଦୟାକରି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କର।
ରାଇଟ୍ ହୁ ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ହୁମ୍
The
beggar asked the advocate
Sergi.
right I am ashamed what do you mean by I am ashamed
Logic.
ମୁଁ ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ଟୁ ଆସ୍କ ମାଗିବାକୁ ମୁଁ ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ବଟ୍ ମାଗିବାକୁ ଲାଜ ଲାଗୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିର ତାଡ଼ନାରେ ମୁଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇ ମାଗୁଛି ବଟ୍ I am obliged to by circumstance. Circumstance means परिस्थिति. Obliged means बाध्य. The beggar says, there is a good offer for me in the province of Kaluga. But I don't have any money to go there. Please help me. I am ashamed of begging, but what shall I do? ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିବି? The situation compels me. ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ମୋତେ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରୁଛି to beg you. Who says it?
The beggar.
The beggar says, I am ashamed of begging, but as the situation compels me, I am asking you. Please help me, sir. Oh, kind sir, please help me. Got it? Now, let's move to the next paragraph. Sergi's eyes, what did I say?
Sergi's eyes.
Fell on the man's overshoes. Whose eyes fell on overshoes?
Sergi.
The Sergi's the advocate. Sergi's eye fell on whose shoe? On the beggar's shoe. One of which was high and the other low. The beggar had two shoes. One is high, another is low. Whose shoes? The beggar's. And he suddenly remembered something. Who suddenly remembered something? The advocate remembered something. The advocate remembered something. तार किसी गोटे हठात मन पड़गला. Who remembered?
The advocate.
The advocate. Look here. Who said it?
Look here.
Who said it?
The
Advocate said, look here, देखे. It seems to me I met you the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday means गत परदिन. मते जना it seems to me मते जा जना पड़ुछि I met you the day before yesterday. गत परदिन मु तते सडभय स्ट्रीट रे देखिथिबार मोर मन पड़ुछि. He said, who said?
The advocate.
Who remembers? The advocate remembers that he had seen this fellow in Sarvodaya street the day before yesterday. But you told me then means ସେତେବେଳେ କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁ ମୋତେ ସେତେବେଳେ କହିଥିଲୁ. But you told me then that you were a student who had been expelled in ବହିଷ୍କୃତ. ତୁ तू किंतु सेतबेले मते कहिथिलु तू गोटे छात्र जे कि विद्यालय बहिष्कृत हेछि यू टोल्ड मी रिमेम्बर डिडंट यू एंड नॉट ए विलेज स्कूल टीचर गाँ शिक्षक बोली कहि नथिल तो यू रिमेम्बर डू यू रिमेम्बर हु सेड हु आस्क्ड
The advocate.
whom
The
The
beggar.
beggar.
the beggar asked remember
ମନେ ପଡୁଛି
you told me don't you remember what you said to me the day before yesterday huh that to do in Sarvodaya street Sadbhaya street no that can't be so that can't be so who said it
The beggar.
when the advocate asked ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ଓକିଲ ପଚାରିଥିଲା ସତ କଥାଟା ଇଏ ଆର ପାଟି ଝାଡ଼ୁ ବାନ୍ଧିଗଲା ଖନେଇ ହେଲା କାହାର
The beggar.
କାହିଁକି why because he is going to be caught ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଯିବ right so no that can't be so ନାଇଁ sin ନାହିଁ ତ who said it the beggar mumbled the beggar taken a beggar छानिया ताटका गला चमकी गला आश्चर्य हो गला आई एम ए विलेज स्कूल टीचर आई एम ए विलेज स्कूल टीचर इफ यू लाइक आई कैन शो यू माय पेपर्स इफ यू डोंट बिलीव मी आई विल प्रूव इट हु सेड इट
The beggar.
व्हाट डिड द बेगर से कथाटा को जोर दे से कहला नहीं मु विलेज शिक्षक विलेज स्कूल टीचर आउ मु आगु प्रमाण भी करि पारिबी आई एम ए विलेज स्कूल टीचर एंड आई कैन शो यू माय पेपर्स हैव डन विथ लाइंग मिछ कहूता आगा मिछ
कहुथा
मिछ कहवा गोटे रीतिमत अभ्यास भी तोर अभ्यास तू परिणत हो गलु मिछ कहवाटा तोर गोटे रीतिमत अभ्यास हो गला हु सेड इट
The advocate.
एडवोकेट सेड इट हैव डन विथ लाइंग मिछ कही चलता यू कॉल्ड योरसेल्फ ए स्टूडेंट तू कहतलु कोटे स्टूडेंट एंड इवन टोल्ड मी दैट एमती मत कहलु दैट you had been expelled for you called yourself a student and even told me that you had been expelled for don't you remember you told me this the day before yesterday can't you remember तोर मन पड़नी this is dishonesty my dear sir no Sergey flashed राग रे लाल पड़ी गले फ्लास्ड मीन्स राग रे लाल पड़ी गले हु फ्लास्ड
The advocate.
द एडवोकेट Sergey flashed got angry and turned from the ragged creature with an expression of disgust and showed a disgust expression विरक्ति भाव प्रकाश कले got annoyed with the beggar who got annoyed with the beggar
The advocate.
Sergey right this is dishonesty my dear sir हे बाबू हे महाशय ये होची असाधुता डिसऑनेस्ट he cried angrily this is swindling एना गोटे ठकामी swindling बोले ठकी पैसा नेला बोलिया ठकी मारी धरी पैसा नेला बोलिया I shall send the police for you demon this is the who said it
The beggar.
no this is the
Advocate.
advocate said it he got angry and said that this is ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଅସାଧୁତା and this is a kind of extracting money swindling money पैसा ठकी भंडी नेबार ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କାମ I shall send the police for you सेंड फॉर मीन्स पुलिस डकैकरी तते धरई देवी दामान दिख छट I will send for the police and catch you. Understand? Telling lies. The day before yesterday you told me that you are a student. Now you are telling me you are a teacher. What's drama is going on here? Do you think I am a fool? मत मूर्ख भाविलु. Who said it?
The advocate Sergey.
Yes. So, we will discuss the next paragraph in your next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's
It's
okay.
okay.